friends! Today we are going to draw a super cute ant. So let's get started.
Welcome to Tiny Hands Art.
Yay!
First, I draw 2 big eyes. Then, I draw the mouth and the head side. Next, I draw the antennae, the hands, and the legs. Now I draw the thorax side and the abdomen side. Now it's time to color. First, I use gray for the outside of the eyes. Then, I use black for the inside of the eyes. The thorax side and abdomen side. Next, I use red for the mouth. And finally, I use orange for the antennae, the hands, the legs, and the abdomen side. Yay! Our cute little ant is ready. If you enjoyed this drawing, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tiny Hands Art for more fun drawings. See you next time, friends! Bye!